It's the Pound Puppies!
We're Pound Puppies, we wanna go home with you. Please take us home.
Colder in here than Katrina Stoneheart's stone
dick.
I've got what it takes to keep you warm, honey. My heart's ablaze, my blood is boiling, and my lips are on fire.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Turn that camera off. Turn it off. What's going on here? Oh my God, this is a cartoon show. Jesus. This is a cartoon show. I mean, it almost seems like that Nose Marie tried to have sex with Cooler. Gosh.
Oh, come on!
Sir Topham Hatt.
Look at the bright side! It's a wonderful winterland out there! Ah, with our old friend Jack Frost nipping at your nose!
Looks like Jack Frost swallowed you whole, honey.
Jack Frost is a close personal friend of mine. Mr. Nabbit, what happened?
My grandpa died 15 years ago. Nobody gave a shit!
Yeah.
Nobody gave a shit!
Kommende Generation dankbar sein. Ich übernehme für alles die volle Verantwortung.
Where am I? I'm expecting a delivery of puppies any time now.
Wenn sich ohne Befehl entfernt hat, ist das Fahnenflucht. Verrat!
If not, we'll be out of business. We can't afford it.
Hey, Holly, come on now. Stay cool, so to speak. Ooh, good old Dab Nabble. For good.
Uh-oh, it's the Pound Puppy alert. Looks more like a wild animal to me. Yeah, I bet it's a wolf. I mean, a hungry wolf with sharp teeth. In fact, it's the big bad wolf. Yeah, and it's coming here to eat us. There's no need to fear.
Pussy with friends!
Is here.
Once again, it's
Hammer time. Go with the flow. It is said if you can't rule the list, then you probably are dead. So wave your hands in the air. Bust a few moves. Run your fingers through your hair.
Well, Doc, what's the diagnosis?
I can tell by gungulating the thrombulator that she has an acute case of
termination.
Golly! What does that mean?
Pussy with friends!
It means she's sick. That'll be $450, please.
What
Pussy with friends!
means by that is that she wants to use the money to fix the furnace.
But we have a better plan for keeping warm this winter.
We think she should spend the money to take us on a little old sunshine vacation.
To
California!
Southern California.